some media also they spoke, I think which is what I was saying, fake news, and it's happened in 2008 also. And I don't want to mention the news channels. There were a few international big news channels who spoke about Dubai. And alhamdulillah, nothing happened. And everything was continued. They said they stopped taking Dubai, which is called Burj Khalifa now. And you know about metro and roads. And this is thanks to His Highness Rashid. I'm not no Vice President, Prime Minister of UAE. They show to the world that we are still strong, and alhamdulillah they have done, and they continue from 2008 to 2018. And now also, this is the right time, I will tell everyone to invest in Dubai and UAE, because just wait for 2 months, and inshallah in 2019, in January, you will see a lot of changing in UAE, which will be big surprise to the world.
Want to educate and gain the confidence of the consumers, and like get more people to confidently invest into it in the UAE.
See, people are not knowing about the WhatsApp, people are not knowing about the Facebook, people are not knowing about the Instagram. But when people came into the mobile, it was just a part of an entertainment. I personally believe when people can spend their time on the entertainment, and when we will give them an opportunity to earn with the crypto, then it will be a drastic boom, bigger than Insta, bigger than Facebook, bigger than WhatsApp. And it is very simple. We have to go to the people, we have to go each and every home. We will be creating a small events, we will be creating education classes, and in fact we have done it. We are creating a crypto labs in which we will be going for every crypto education, and the basic part is that to differentiate between a real good quality alternate coin and some fake coins.
Can we have more questions, please?
Yes. I'm here. Hello.
Sorry.
It's my name is Sergio Angi from Russia. I'm some small investor for this future in GCC. And but my question is, you say you're working out with 63 crypto and planning more. And in Russia also now is thinking about some crypto. And Russia is a very big market. And my question is, you planning to open there some branch for the company? Because there is
The Dubai
is in Moscow.
a very controversial question, and you're asking in the front of His Excellency. Basically, the first you have to understand whether it is global, and the basic thing is that the Dubai has a good environment, and it can be done by online only. It is just like a Facebook, and Facebook doesn't need office anywhere. It just only need one office.
Yes, but you can't open branch there.
But if we can give a franchisee to you in Russia, you can be a franchisee head.
Our basic start, we started with the Gulf Coin Gold, but now it is a Crypto Bulls Exchange. It is a huge empire now, and with the collaboration of His Excellency company, it is now the dynasty. And if we talk about, we are trading with 64 trading pairs now.
I'm very new in this, so I will not say anything, but like I said before, that Dubai is a city of future. So anything you bring it, and it's work, mashallah, very